Look at this. Do you also want to swap faces like this? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the future of AI. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to swap faces with your favorite celebrity, or even your pet? Well, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite apps for face and video swapping called Vidnoz AI. Sometimes we all need a little fun and creativity in our lives, and Vidnoz AI makes it super easy. Whether you want to create hilarious memes, surprise your friends with funny videos, or just experiment with different looks, this app has got you covered. So let's get started.
So first of all, go to the Play Store and download the Vidnoz Video and Face Swapper app. You'll find the link in the description box. Once downloaded, simply open it. Now there are two main options: Video Face Swap and Photo Face Swap. It's so simple and easy to use. Let me show you how. Let's try Photo Face Swap first. Click on Free Upload Photo. Now you'll see two options for uploading photos here. In the first one, you have to upload the original photo of the face you want to change. So I'll upload the image from my gallery. Then upload the target photo of the face you want to use for swapping. Once both images are uploaded, simply click on Face Swap Now. Now it will take a few seconds. And here my image is ready. Let me download and show you. Wow, it looks so good how amazingly it has swapped the face here, and it looks perfect. Now let's try another image. So I'll change the main image but keep the target face the same to see how well it works. Once uploaded, I'll click on Swap Now. So here it is ready. Let me show you. Wow, this one also looks absolutely stunning. I'm actually having fun swapping faces like this, and it's so fun to use, and the best part is that this tool works so well and it doesn't even ruin the quality of the image. Amazing. Now let's try Video Face Swap. Click on Free Upload Video, and now in the same way, first upload your original video. So here I'm using this video for face swapping. Then upload the photo of the face you want to use for swapping. Once both of them are uploaded, click on Face Swap Now. So here it is ready. Let me show you the before and after results. Wow, I'm in love with the end result of this tool. It's actually working really well and it's accurately swapping the face. Amazing. So this is how it works. You can also swap faces in a GIF. Let me show you. Just go to Photo Face Swap, upload your GIF here, then upload the target face image and simply click on Swap Face Now. And here you go, it's done. So you can use this tool for content creation or for fun and entertainment purposes. It gives 3 free credits every month, but if you want to do more, you can buy their credits. Their 1-month plan starts at just $12 and you can swap 80 photos and 4 minutes of video in this plan, which I think is very reasonable. Then they also have a half-year and yearly plan. So you can choose as per your preferences. So in my opinion, this tool is a game changer if you want to swap faces like a pro.
So that's it. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to the future of AI for more amazing videos. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.